Hi, Mama. Can I pet? Oh, I'm not gonna hurt you, Mama. It's okay. See? See, you like getting pet. Someone's messing with my pants. Yeah? Trying to take my pants string. See, Mama. See, you know you like it. Oh, your claws are sharp. But I don't think you're gonna let me clip your nails. I don't think so. I do not think so. Hi, Mama. See, okay, Mama. Yeah, oh, baby girl. Are you just nervous? You nervous, Mama? See? I'm not gonna hurt you. What? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Did I move too? Oh, I don't know what that means. Are you playing? Mama. You're very gentle. Very gentle, Mama. What do you want? You're very sharp, though. Want me to pet you? You want pets? Yeah. Okay.